All right, I found a real pretty question for you. Look, you've got an absolute value function here. You've got a quadratic over here. So let's take this guy here. We've got the absolute value of x minus 5. So let's find the critical point to this. And remember, the critical point shows up when you make this equal to 0. X minus 5 equals to 0. Add 5 to both sides, that cancels out, x equals to 5. So if you do a preliminary sketch here, look what you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know that this is an absolute value function, which is going to look like some big V, like that. Perfect. Excellent. Now, let's do the quadratic right over here. Pull out our old favorite PSA and find out the product is 15. The sum is minus 8. What two numbers multiply together and add up to give you minus 8? Minus 5, minus 3. So, of course, x minus 5, right? X minus 3. This is all the stuff that we've always been doing. Plus 5 and plus 3 are our two answers. But look at this for a second. I want to show you something. Just because we did something preliminary here, look at this. These two numbers, look at that. Absolutely match. So guess what? At 1, 2, 3 is one intersect. 4, 5 is the other intersect. Look at this. Your parabola is going to come way down, look something like this. And if you look, hey, there's the intersection given to you just because you did a preliminary little solve. You've given the 5 right here, so that's actually one of the numbers. So that was kind of fluky. But here's the other thing. It's going to be at this dot right here. Now, you could turn around and you can solve this if you like, or do what I do, bring up the old calculator. I've got it sitting here already. I've already done the second calc and found the intersect, and the intersection happens to be at 2. And if you look at my graph, yeah, well, look at this. Almost bang on, perfect, at 2. So the answers here are x equals to 5, which is this intersection point right here, and the other one is x equals to positive 2. Remember, you're only interested in the x values because if you look at the original question, there are only x values. There are no y's, and that's how you solve things.